Wondering which pet is best for your child? Here are the top pets for kids and what makes them special. First, consider family commitment. Ask if everyone will help care for the pet and if you have enough space and money. Think about veterinary access and the pet's lifespan. For kids ages 4, 7, great options include parakeets. Pros, colorful, fun, and can learn to talk with training. Cons, need daily care from parents. Care, fresh water, pellets, and clean cages. Crested geckos. Pros, soft, calm, and interesting to watch. Cons, can drop their tails when scared. Care, special diet, and a warm, safe environment. For kids ages 8, 11, consider rats. Pros, smart, friendly, and enjoy playtime. Cons, lifespan is only 2-3 years. Care, quality pellets, fresh water, and toys. Canaries and finches. Pros, great for watching and can sing. Cons, they require companionship. Care, clean cages and fresh food. For kids ages 12, 15, options grow. Rabbits. Pros, social, bond with kids and learn litter training. Cons, long-term commitment of 8, 12 years. Care, hay, fresh veggies, and vet visits. Cats and dogs. Pros, classic family favorites. Cons, require grooming and regular vet care. Care, feeding, playtime, and daily tasks. Bearded dragons. Pros, friendly and love being handled. Cons, special habitat needs. Care, UV lighting, and proper diet. Consider lifestyle. Younger kids need simpler pets, while older kids can take on more responsibility. Remember, pets teach empathy and responsibility. Make sure to plan for your child's interests and keep the pet's needs in mind. Summarize key tips before choosing the right pet. Check family commitment and space needs. Know pet care basics. Be ready for long-term care. Explore the right pet for your family today.